The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, baki way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sau pun rewlak. Just wow.
Sa Shisen Part ki board penyat district ke East Khasi Hills, kilapin tip bekinam ai Jingbit ya Khasi Students Union KSU, kebertemuan penlong Ïakhih Shongkelain Mingor haka arp Southrik unailar arja arpen Rio. Wa Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Ulong, managi Jingjia huri hura ke belami, nakarali arshaka men haka khatkandai trik unailar arja arpen Rio, berkum jo naga Jingdon ke Dorbar Synrai jo ke Yeng Dorbar tau ain ke Jila Meghalaya, kum ta lekin taj ai Jingbit ya ke KSU, ben penlong ya ke Ïakhih dekat Shongkelain Mingor, hapersha ke Civil Hospital Shillong. Dangshan ki bor penyat district lekin taj ya ke Jingpan bor jo ke Khasi Students Union KSU, ben penlong ya ke Jingyat Padba, But kumju ke Ïakhih Shongkelain Mingor, kebalapan penlong men ha ka artway terik unailar arja arpen Rio.
The preparations are similar to as what was the preparation on 21st. We are going to make sure that, and since the assembly is also starting, High Court also has a hearing on the same matter, we are committed to ensure that the law and order of the city is not disturbed.
Are you allowed to sit, to allow them to sit at the demonstration?
So that I have already communicated in light of the incidents that happened on 19th. Unfortunately, we have denied the, so we have basically expressed regret to the organization that we won't be able to give them the permission to have a sit-in demonstration on 24th.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.